Morning, everybody. Recently we had a giveaway. It was the Avapow AP18. This is the brand new one. You can see it's still sealed in the box. Avapow sent me an extra one, and they said use it as a giveaway for our appreciation. Just make sure the person you give it to is following our Instagram. And I reached back out to them. They shot me 4 people that entered that verified Ford Boss sent me. And I just randomly picked one of them, and the one that I picked is this guy right here. Turn them wheels, I think. If you see this, and I'll give you 72 hours to get back to me. If you see this, the AP18 is yours. All I'll ask you to do is go to the bio on the channel, get my email, send me your email address or P.O. box, and I'll get this shipped out to you as soon as I possibly can, which should be pretty quick. Just get a hold of me, let me know, and I got you. This is the winner of the giveaway. Other than that, I ain't got nothing else for you right now, because they don't have no work for me right now. It's slow, so I'm actually out sitting in the truck looking at some things that I wanted to do to the truck. But anyhow, I'll catch y'all in a little bit. If there's a topic you guys want to talk about or you want brought up, let me know. Leave it down in the comment box. And if you like winning stuff, you like giveaways, you like maintenance tips and stuff like that, you like hearing what's going on around the world, then subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and maybe pass the video on to somebody else. I appreciate you. Turn them wheels, this is yours. Send me your credentials, and I'll get it in the mail. Peace, love, and hair grease.